Jingïalang hapadeng ka sorkar jilla bat ka All Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association lani ka AMSSASTA hinin kasngi kam shimla poi shakanu kanu karai bat ka seng kalarai ban beteng biang ya ka Jingïaki jongka tat hadu bandami ka aka nakalyang ka sorkar. Habaya day bat ka jingdawa jongki. Hakaway pat kalyang umentri ka tanat puli puti urakam sangma ula ong ba ula ya kendo ya baro ar kenhun bat yo ya ka Jingïamer jingmut ka batay. U Vice President ka AMSSASTA uba defender Lamare ula ong ba kani ka kam kala ban slem na marba la IT sya ka Education Commission bat andang haban up ya ka kaipot ban shimrai halor kani ka benta.
So that our teachers do not suffer. We are suffering for the last 16 days. So we do not suffer more because we need to go to our respective schools. Students need to be taught and to address our academic session also. And moreover, the exam is very, very near. So we are aware of that, but we are compelled to move to the street for our demand.